Have you ever wondered if upgrading your computer's memory is a tricky task, or if it is something you can easily tackle to boost your gaming performance? Well, the fantastic news is that installing new random access memory, or RAM, in a gaming PC is generally very easy. It is one of the most straightforward upgrades you can perform, requiring minimal tools and technical know-how. Most users can complete this upgrade in just a few minutes, leading to noticeable improvements in game loading times and overall system responsiveness. The reason it is so simple largely comes down to standardization and thoughtful design. RAM sticks are universal in their physical dimensions and connection points for a given generation, meaning they only fit into specific slots on your motherboard one way. Motherboards are designed with easily accessible memory slots that feature simple retention clips. This eliminates much of the guesswork, as the process is quite literally a matter of plug and play once you have the correct type of RAM for your system. To install new RAM, first, power down your PC completely and unplug it from the wall. Then, open your PC case and locate the RAM slots on your motherboard. If you are replacing old RAM, gently push open the small clips at each end of the existing memory modules and remove them. Take your new RAM sticks, holding them carefully by the edges, and align the notch on the stick with the notch in the memory slot. Press down firmly and evenly on both ends of the RAM stick until the clips snap into place, securing the module. A crucial pro tip for gamers looking to maximize performance is to always install RAM in matched pairs to enable dual-channel mode. This allows your central processing unit to access memory twice as fast. Also, after installation, remember to enable the XMP profile in your system's BIOS or UEFI settings. This stands for Extreme Memory Profile, and it ensures your RAM runs at its advertised high speeds, which is often faster than the default setting. Failing to do this can leave significant performance on the table, especially in games. So, with just a little preparation and careful handling, upgrading your PC's RAM can be a quick and rewarding experience. It provides an immediate and tangible performance boost, enhancing your gaming by making your system smoother and more responsive, allowing you to dive into your favorite titles with less waiting and more playing.